Just going to.
So today I'm at Lee Mount with three lovely ladies and we are going to do a jigsaw. Let's see how we go. Oh, Pat's flying already, aren't you, Pat?
Yeah.
You like doing jigsaws, Audrey?
Well, I do sometimes, you know, it just depends what they're doing. And,
Yeah, what mood you're in.
yeah.
What about you, Pat?
Do I like what?
Jigsaws.
Oh, yeah. Yes.
Do you like a jigsaw?
What do you
Are you giggling? Have you got a giggle on again, little giggler?
I'll be on floor in it, because
Did you put that one in nicely?
yes, just now, yeah. You can shift
All
it.
edges are in now. Nearly finished, haven't we, Pat?
Right. Well, that one's been on there. And this one. There's.
Yay! Bingo!
Now, where do we put it underneath?
Teamwork makes the dream work. There we go. Ta-da!